welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell down below. It'd be super cool. Today we are doing another stash or pass, or keep it or leave it, or should it stay or should it go? I've got new hair. What do you think of the new hair? Very different. Well, not that different, but different colors. We're going to do a look at the Blueberry Muffin palette from BH Cosmetics. You haven't heard much about BH since they got bought out by Makeup Revolution, but this is one of their better palettes, and it's got a beautiful color story. And we're going to do a look with it here and see if I'm going to keep it or pass it on to the next person or on my Macari. This is probably going to go to a person. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? I'm just getting started. And happy Pride Month. In the name of love. One more in the name of love. Pride. That was by U2. But don't come for me because I am not a professional singer. I am just an enthusiastic singer. I'm going to start by putting Fluffy in my crease, which is a beautiful peachy color. Just like a nice warmer version of my flesh. We love flesh. Well, not like to eat or anything, unless it's like cows or something. I like eating cows. I was a vegetarian for like 7 years once, and what got me back was bacon and steak and bacon. I just missed them. And then I was hanging out with people who were eating it. And I was like, ooh, can I just have a bite? That was the end of vegetarianism. And I wasn't a great vegetarian anyway, because I don't like a lot of vegetables, which you would think would be important if you want to become a vegetarian, that you like vegetables. I'm just saying, I was not good at it. Let's get in here, and what color shall we do? I'm wearing a black dress tonight for my friend's birthday palooza. My birthday palooza starts in July on the 1st, because I'm a Cancer baby. Let's see. I'm going to go into Yummy. It's kind of lavendery. Yeah, it's a lavender with a little bit of gray in it. That's a good choice. And this palette is so pigmented, and it just shows up, and it's got a nice shimmer to it. It's very pretty. In the name of love. One more in the name of love. I got that song stuck in my own head. It's my own damn fault. Me. Oh, grr, me. So anyway, I'm having a good time here playing with this palette. And I'm going to go into... I think I'm going to go into Sugared. I'm going to go with my finger into Sugared and do my inner corner. Blend that out. That's super pretty. I didn't want to wait. I want to look pretty, but I don't want to outdo the birthday girl, you know. It's her special day. 21 and never been kissed. Ooh. Ew, ew, ew. Let's get in here and get to some colors now. I could do So Good, but that's so close, I think. And then there's this beautiful Baker's Dozen. And it's got like purple reflex in it. Oh, it's so hard to choose. I'm going to go into Tempting. Ooh, pretty. It's kind of a tealy purpley blue. It really adds some dimension and depth of color. And then mixed with Yummy, it makes for a really pretty look. But I want to go a little bit darker on my outside corner, just a little more depth, just a teeny bit more. So I'm going to, looking for a brush that I don't care about. This is a nice flat brush. It's a Scott Barnes brush. It's nice. But I'm going to go into Baker's Dozen. I just smushed it a little bit. And that just adds such a great little depth. Ooh, that is so cool looking. I don't know that I'm going to get rid of this palette. And I haven't even done anything crazy. I'm going to get into, I think with my finger, I'm going to go into Cheat Day. And put it right here on the lid. Uh-oh. Got a smudge of it on my face. Let's see if I can brush it off. I just made streaks. That did not work. Let me get that little foundation brush there. All right, now I'm going to go back into Cheat Day. I got Cheat Day all over everything. I need to blend this stuff out. This is starting to look crazy. I've done too much. That's my worst fear, is doing too much and just making a mess. Alrighty, now we're ready for some eyeliner and mascara. Whew, that was scary. But I didn't go too crazy. I went just crazy enough. And it's a Stila double-ended eyeliner and I love it. I'm drawing in real careful because I want a little bit of wing. Oh yeah. Just filling in the lines. Very nice. Now I'm going to put on some mascara and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara on. And now for the lip. With this beautiful, powerful eye look, I don't want to do anything dramatic for the lips, so I'm going to go into Super Matte Stay Ink Seductress number 65. And there we go, a beautiful look with a beautiful palette that I cannot part with. I just love it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.